Good morning, traders. There's something I forgot to talk about this morning, and that is how to deleverage. And one of the ways you can deleverage during FOMC and non-farm payroll, perhaps join this free Tradingview competition, the Leap. And you do get to trade the S&P 500. It's the S&P USD symbol. If you click here, terms and conditions, let's scroll down to here. You can see the instruments that you are allowed to trade. You've got the S&P 500 USD that you can trade. So one way to deleverage is just paper trade today. And if you wanted an opportunity to perhaps win you some money, $45,000 in total prizes. I just saw this morning. Apparently this started yesterday. And since I looked at it this morning, 7,000 more people have joined the competition. So right now the leader is up $1,500. All right, so we'll see what today brings. Virtual money, all that stuff. Oh, there's one more thing I wanted to show you. So on the trading competition, it gives you what your leverage is right down here. For the SPX 500 USD, 12 contracts is the size that you can trade. This would be the symbol that you would want to put on your chart. And that's how I'm going to trade it. Let me go to the chart here. So let's go to the chart. So I just have the 500 USD setting over here that I'm going to monitor. And when I feel that it's time for me to get into a trade on ES, I'm going to switch over here and enter it as well. Let's go to the trading panel. So what you do is you go to the trading panel, go to paper trading, and I am pretty sure one of them is going to say Leap. Right there, the Leap in May. And there's your paper trading account. And then what you want to do is click trade here, and a little panel will pop up for you to enter. You can either do it this way or you can do it on the DOM. And then once you want to enter a trade, let's say that you want to do a limit order. Let's move it up here to 50-60. You wanted to sell up there, set your stop loss and click sell, and it pops up here. And now you can move this. If you want to say, hey, I want to move my take profit to here, you can move that. You can just slide these things around and they work really great. And you can right click, you can modify the order, you can reduce the number of contracts that you might want to get out of, or you come over here and you change the number of contracts here and say, hey, I only want to get out of this many. And then you can click this green button to buy, you can click this red button to sell, and you can scale out of a trade that way. So one of the ways to deleverage today, maybe get you a fresh eval account if you want from one of these funding companies, or join the Leap competition and it costs you nothing and you still get to participate. All right, so I wanted to talk about deleveraging. I mentioned it just a little bit, maybe trading with a wider stop, smallest one contract, but there's one more step, putting zero capital at risk. All right, I'll see my traders live here soon. Oh, I forgot to do